Hey, welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, so if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful, brand new Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore in pink gold. Model reference number for this watch is 26231OR.ZZ.D003CA.01. Retail price on this 37mm watch is $53,000 US as of 2022. I'm going to be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case size, the bezel, the dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap. And I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Starting off with this watch case size, this is a 37mm chronograph watch from the left side of the bezel to the right side. And the watch fits on my medium-sized wrist. Pop this open. Fits pretty well. 37mm case can also be considered a mid-size men's sports watch. The water resistance on this case is rated to 50 meters or 165 feet, so you should be able to take a shower with this watch on. You should have no problems. The pink gold bezel displays just over a carat weight of 32 brilliant diamonds. Let's take a look at that bezel close up. So just over a carat of weight and brilliant diamonds on this bezel. Now you can also see the octagonal Audemars Piguet Royal Oak bezel. There's 8 white gold hexagonal screws that secure the bezel to the case. Adds a bit of sport to the watch. If you look at the side of the case, you'll see that the bezel is also high polish on the side. Going on to the dial, we're looking at a silver Lady Tapisserie pattern dial. It's contrasted with 3 dark gray subdials at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position. I think it makes it easier for you to locate the pink gold hour and minute hands against the darker dial or subdials. The circular ridged patterns that goes around the dial actually supports the pink gold hour markers. Luminescence on this watch should allow you to read the time in low light conditions. Let's take a look here. And there you have it. You see luminescence, and you'll see even dots right outside of the index markers. So it makes it easy for you to read. It's crisp even when you're looking at it in the dark. So let's turn that light back on. Now going over into the crown and its functions, you can see it here on the side. This middle crown here. If we take out the first position after unscrewing it from the case is the winding position. You can wind that like 10 times, should be a good way to wind the watch. Second click out is to actually set the date. The date is there at the 4:30 position. You'll see it transfer over to the 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. Now for one more click out, you'll be able to set the hands, hour and minute hands. And when you're done setting your hand, just screw it right back down in the case. The watch has an automatic movement, so the movement of your wrist is all that's really needed winding the watch after you set it. The movement that runs this watch is an automatic caliber 2385 that has a power reserve of 40 hours. It has a chronograph, hours, minutes, small seconds, and a date function. And unfortunately, we cannot see that with the movement here. Unfortunately, that pink gold movement is covered with a solid, or that movement is actually covered with a solid case bag, pink gold. Now for this, going on to the strap of this watch, we're looking at a gray or rubber strap. You're going to notice that the longer portion of the strap, with the holes in it, is at the 6 o'clock position, and the shorter end is at the 12 o'clock. And I think the gray straps are great. Darker straps are great for me because there's no noticeable color transference. If you're actually wearing blue, the blue will not go onto a gray strap as it would on a white strap. Now this watch is also thick enough that it doesn't bend the wrong way left and right. It keeps the watch planted on your wrist. And that strap is closed up nicely with a fold over pink gold deployment. Has an Audemars logo, Audemars Piguet's logo built right into that deployment. Snap it down securely, and it's nice and sturdy and solid on my wrist. Audemars Piguet offers the Royal Oak Offshore collection in a number of sizes, with 37mm being the smallest, followed by 42, 43, and 44mm. I have a medium-sized men's wrist, and I can now comfortably wear this watch. It actually works very well on my wrist. It doesn't go from my wrist. Get the look. Overall, in my opinion, this watch is a very wearable watch. Had it been all pink gold, it would be too heavy. The gray rubber strap holds the watch firmly to my wrist. Feels solid. And it also keeps it looking sporty. That diamond bezel does grab your attention. And the dark gray subdials within the dial help you locate the hour and minute hands easily as well. The watch is a somewhat hefty. It's a little bit thick because it does have that chronograph function. Keeps the Royal Oak Offshore tradition. You should still be able to wear this under a loose shirt, but it's too pretty to hide if you're actually going to wear it. Now, being the 37mm case is the smallest size offered by Royal Oak Offshore lineup, it does make this watch easy to wear on a rubber strap. You're going to know that the watch is still on your wrist because it is still somewhat heavy due to the amount of pink gold in the case. This pretty much wraps up the review of the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore in pink gold. Again, the model reference number of this watch is 26231OR.ZZ.D003CA.01. If you want to know where you get this watch, you can actually get it on jazztime.com. Even if we don't have it in stock, we can still get one for you. So go to jazztime.com, click buy now. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.